You are live. We have here today Little Penguin Chef, and I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington. She is a chef, and you do, what kind of bakery are you doing?
I do various baked goods, so I do cookies, some quick breads, actual breads, fudge, almost anything you can think of really, and as long as it ships well, I make it.
So I actually surprised her as she was on the table. I said, hey, you need to put it out there on social media about what you're doing, and she is. And people have been loving her. So anyways, she allowed me to let you see her adjustment. You come in, every few months because of the kind of work that you're doing, bending over, icing things, right?
Yeah.
And anyone that does good baking or a chef understands it's long hours and time on their feet, so the back, the neck, the hips, the shoulders start to hurt after a while. So she comes in, gets tuned up once in a while, and by the way, she's going to have a little tip for you guys at the end, anyone who's a baker on that. So, all right, let's have you lay on your left side, face me. And you just started this
back in November.
Yeah, it's not that long ago.
Yeah,
we were talking about that too.
Mm-hmm.
It's amazing how time and these little things change, and you were looking for that next thing, and then all of a sudden I said, well, you have to follow what you're passionate about and put it out there, and you started doing it on your own. I think it was your own.
Mm-hmm.
She put in the work on it and does some amazing things. So, all right, lower back right at the SI joint. That already moved. Good. Let's go the other way. So you have to squeeze the icing with the
pastry bag.
the pastry bag. So that gets hard on your hand.
Oh yeah.
Do you use both hands, or do you usually squeeze with one?
I use both hands just because it gives me more control.
On your back. Do you ever feel like you get pain in the hand from doing, or it's cramping up?
When I do a lot of cookies, yeah.
Yeah. Take a deep breath. Release the breath out. Good. All right, take a deep breath. Release it out. Cool puppy dog socks too.
Thank you.
All right, so a lot of times when people use their hands, whether they're pounding or lifting things, they'll experience typically neck pain, shoulder pain, elbow or wrist pain, and a lot of times it originates from the neck because that's where the nerves come out and communicate to the muscles. But also, even in the forearms, they'll feel some tightness around this area right through here, and you just felt your hand adjust as soon as I did that. So when people are constantly gripping, such as a pastry bag or gripping various tools, the areas of the elbow, even the shoulder, depending what they're doing, or the hand can go out of alignment. More commonly, the two bones that will affect people in the hand will be the capitate and lunate that sit right here in the middle, and it collapses down on the hand, and that begins to start some of the beginning of carpal tunnel. It's not the only thing, but it's a big one that we look for. So if you're experiencing carpal tunnel, you felt thumb release right through there. Good. She's usually using the whole hand to squeeze, or like this sometimes too, I bet.
Depends on how stiff the icing is for the decorations.
Isn't it called the fondant?
If it's for a cake,
Yeah.
yeah. But usually with like decorated sugar cookies, it's a royal icing just because it dries harder.
Yeah. Felt that one release
Yeah.
there? Yeah, you'll feel much better. So the stretches you guys can do, if you have any problems that's in your hands or even here, one thing to do is add some pressure right here in the forearm. You can feel the tenderness from the muscles.
Mm-hmm.
This is actually the muscle called the brachioradialis right through here. Usually it'll be pretty active with people that have wrist pain right there.
Yeah.
And add some pressure into that area. Sometimes you can put some sport tape around here, that'll help. But the big thing is stretching just like this, bringing the wrist back, like this, and extension and then flexion. That'll help stretch out the muscle here, and you can even do it with a little bit of resistance, like push against, I'm pushing against my hand, and then stretch it back down again like that. Let's have you sit and face that way. We're gonna check shoulders as well. So there's many different ways that shoulders can be adjusted. Sometimes you'll see the tables dropping under people, but I like to bring the shoulder back, check, and sometimes we'll get the clavicle to adjust or the scapula. And right here, checking the humerus. You're right-handed, aren't you?
Yep. That's where most of my work gets done, is my right hand.
And then when it gets tired, you go over to the left.
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right, so share with everybody some of the information about Little Penguin Chef, where they could find your information or anything that you want them to know, including some free tips or advice for people that like baked goods.
So one of my favorite easy icing recipes is just like a pound of powdered sugar, a quarter cup of corn syrup, and then a couple tablespoons of water. Mix that together to the right consistency, thick if you want it to dry really hard, smooth, and then more water to make it thinner. Look, if you're gonna like put a nice thin layer of icing on something, that's really easy for people who don't know how to decorate cookies that well. And I've actually given that recipe to a couple customers who have ordered just plain sugar cookies, no icing, for their office that wanted to do a decorating cookie party. My Etsy shop, so you go to etsy.com, in the search bar type Little Penguin Chef, all one word, and it should pull my shop up. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook, both under Little Penguin Chef as well.
We all like baked goods as well. So
Yeah.
I'm Dr. David Warwick, Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington. Thank you for watching, guys. Oh, I forgot to ask you, and how's the chiropractic treatment been? Because you've been coming to me on and off every quarter, 3 months.
Mm-hmm. Good, it helps me a lot. Like, I come as needed because I start to feel like that tension in my back, and then after I come, I go back home and like I feel relief. I can like relax again.
So you
it
come
really
in when
helps.
you need to.
Yeah.
Awesome. See you guys. Thanks for watching.